How to see private account photos on Instagram. First of all, let's navigate and open Instagram app on your phone and open the profile whose private photos you want to see. We cannot view private photos unless we are following that account, but we can try a third party app. Copy the profile username, then go back to your home screen and open a web browser that you use for searching and then go to this website. Once you are on this site, tap on View Profile Now button. A new page will appear where you need to enter the profile username. I will type one of this demonstration and then tap on Connect. This is a profile that we are going to visit to see its uploaded photos. So tap on Confirm Account. It will start analyzing the profile and preparing the data. Just wait for it to complete. After that, you will see a page where you will be asked to complete a verification step by installing an app and using it. Once verified, you will be able to use this account, but keep in mind that these apps may not be safe for your phone and could cause viruses or other security issues. I suggest following the legal way and simply following the user to see their photos.